Hello and welcome to today's Curiosity Show. To start with, what about 1 minute patience? For that you need the 4 5s in a pack of cards. There we are, the 4 cards which say 5 on them. And each has 5 pips, which are the little symbols, the hearts, the clubs, the diamonds and the spades. Well, here's the problem. You've got to arrange those so that each card is showing not 5 pips, but 4. Well, it's easy enough when you start. You can put them down in a line. The first card's only got 4. Now the second card shows 4, the third card shows 4, but the last card has 5. If we take this one and cover up one of the pips on the last card now has 5. So you can't really win. Or can you? Yes, if you don't go in a straight line, but you go in a circle. Let's see. If we turn the corner, we've got 4 pips on the first card, 4 on the second, and now we would have 4 on the third, 3 on the first, and 5 on the last, unless we flip that one under the first, and the problem solved.